Hello, these feed ingredients I'm going to mention in this particular video now are locally available feed ingredients. Do you want to make your poultry feed very cheap? You want to produce feed in your farm at a very cheap and affordable rate? This particular video is for you. All the local available feed ingredients, I'm going to mention them here. If you have any of them in your environment or within your area, let me know on the comment section. And if you find this video very interesting, give it a thumb up and share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Number one among all the feed ingredients that can make your poultry feed very cheap is cassava peel meal. I will still give you another video where I will explain what these ingredients give in the life of your poultry and livestock animals. Cassava peel meal. Do you have where they process cassava in a large area? Go there and pack the peas. The cassava peel meal can replace some percentage of corn and grain in poultry feed. You know that the corn or grains make up to 45 to 50% of the feed ingredients in making any poultry or livestock feed. There is no poultry or livestock animal that does not make use of corn. Either goat, sheep, cattle, including dogs. A processed cassava byproduct used as an affordable energy source for your poultry feed. You need to dry it properly because of the chemical content of this cassava peel meal that is toxic to livestock animals. It contains cyanogenic acid, which is very, very bad for large consumption in your poultry beds or poultry or livestock animals. If they consume too much of it, if it is not well processed, you are going to lose that particular livestock animal. I know of a close by friend here who brought the goats to one of my neighbor to keep because the man was about to travel. The man fed those goats with cassava peel that is not well processed. After eating, out of the 12 goats they brought, they lost about 4 of them. The remaining ones were able to revive because they gave anti-poison to them immediately, so they were able to recover some of them. So this cassava peel meal is good for feed production, but it needs to be processed. Before the end of this video, if you watch the video to the end, I'm going to tell you how to process each of them also. For cassava peel meal, what do you need to do? You must dry it very well, up to 80 to 90%, to reduce the acidic content of the meal. Once it is properly dried, then you grind it into powder format. Filter the skin of it, the skin side of it, filter it properly, then use the starch alone to process your feed. It's going to reduce the reliance on corn and other grains used in making feed. You can as well gather large quantities of this cassava peel meal, boil it very well. After boiling it, pour away the water, then sun dry it also. After sun drying, then you grind it and make use of it. You can also grind it first. After washing it thoroughly, you grind it and squeeze out the water the way and manner they squeeze out water from garri. Allow it to be fermented for up to 24 hours. Then you now dry the ground one. Then make use of it. The way you grind garri, the way you press the water from the cassava to make garri, the same way and manner you process this after grinding it to glitter. You make use of glitter. This is not grind again. You make use of the glitter they use in griddling garri. That's what you use. Then the water must be squeezed out. That water contains toxic substance. So after that, you allow it to fermented. Put it in a very sack bag, put stone on top of it, allow it up to 24 hours. The water will go down. Then you now sun dry it. You can now use it to process your feed. Next one here is sweet potato vine or sweet potato peel also. They are also good. They contains protein. The leaves also very good because they serve as nutritious green feed supplement for poultry and livestock. Either the leaf, the peas are wonderful in making poultry feed because of the protein content. How do you process it? Go and gather all this what I do fry yam, fry all these fried foods. Go and gather large quantity of the peas. Sun dry it. After sun drying it, grind it into a powder format. Add it to your feed. I'll give you feed formula that you make use of to process all this into finished food. Then the leaf also good. You can feed the leaf fresh to your poultry and livestock animal after washing it and slice it to smaller as if you were peeling vegetable. Slicing it, you can mix it in their feed and give it to them. Or you can air dry it and grind it to powder and mix it in their feed also and give to your poultry and livestock animals. These products are not sold in the market. This is something you generate, or you can easily get it from someone who doesn't make use of it. Like all this fry yam, fry food, fry this. They have it in large quantity. Most of the times they pay people money to throw it away. You go there and pack it and make use of it in large quantity. If you go where they process cassava or communities where they process cassava, they throw away the cassava peas. Go and gather it and make use of it at a very cheap rate. If corn takes up to 50% of your poultry feed, assuming you have a kg of corn is 800 naira, 500 naira, multiply 500 times 50, that will give you about 25,000 naira you are saving. Even if you make use of 50-50, you make use of 50% of corn, 50, that's 50-50, 25% of corn, 25% of cassava peel meal, you are saving more than 15,000 naira per 100 kg of feed, which is wonderful. That 15,000 naira will go a long way to help you to reinvest and make more profit. I'll be faster so that I'll be able to treat most of them in a small scale. I'm going to give you feed formula. Cocoyam meal is another one. A well-processed cocoyam product used as an alternative energy source. After adequate cooking and drying, you dry it and grind it and make use of it in making your feed also. Brewer's spent grain is a protein source and fiber-rich byproduct from breweries, commonly used in poultry and livestock feed also. Very wonderful. I'll give you feed formula also for this. If you have brewery in your area, or all these people that process these local drinks like Unu, all these Brukutu and others, that's where you get it. They don't sell, if they sell it at very cheap, it's a giveaway price. You can't compare it with other raw materials like soya bean meal. It's not possible. So they're very cheap. These are things you can gather within your household. And that one is rice polish. Rice polish is another one. Peas, where they process rice, where they smooth rice to make it look whitish in color. This outer scale of that rice is what they call rice polish. It's a nutritious rice milling byproduct, rich in energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It contains a lot of fat also. It's good also. If you have rice processing zone in your area, you can gather it and make use of it. Pankane cake. This is another one. PKC. It's an oil extraction byproduct that supplies moderate protein and fiber in poultry and livestock diet. You have where they process pankane oil in your area. Go and get the West. It's very cheap. They sell it at a very cheap rate. I know they sell this, but they sell it at a very giveaway price. Most times they gather large quantity that they will start looking for people to buy them. And that one is maggot meal. This is the one you can process within your household. Gather the maggot byproduct and process and plant it in your area. These flies will come and give you the maggot free. You know how to process. If you don't know how to process, go and watch the video on how to process maggot. It's in my channel also. Maggot meal is a high quality insect product. It's a protein source also, produced from organic waste and used as a substitute for fish meal. This here, fowl droppings, you can use it to get maggots in your farm. Azola meal is a fast-growing aquatic farm product rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals for protein in your feed. You want to increase the protein in the feed, use it. Duckweed is another one. You can plant it in your farm if you are very close to the riverside areas. You can plant, or you have a floating pond, you can use it and make duckweed. It's an aquatic plant that's very high in protein content, suitable for low cost feed supplement. Moringa leaf is another one, very powerful nutrient. It is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants. This neem leaf is another one also. Neem is medicinal. This neem, dogoyaro, it is medicinal, and limited amount of support for poultry heads, and help to control certain diseases and parasites in poultry. Black soldier fly larva is another good one also. All these earthworm and others, they are natural, highly digestible protein sources in essential mineral acid and other vitamins that are necessary for a product for producing your poultry feed. Make use of all this and thank me later. If you need a feed formula for this product I mentioned here now, do you have them in your area? Can you produce them? Let me know on the comment section and ask for the feed formula. I will also give you the feed formula if you need it. Other broiler starter with all these products, broiler grower, finisher, and any of them you need, let me know on the comment section. I will give the formula. But if I don't get to respond from the comment section, I will not produce it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye.